Everywhere you look, there's an exciting phenomena. There is something unknown. There's something new.
The future of science in the Institute is to go into the universe of unknown biology.
AI really feeds on lots of data and it loves complexity, and that's exactly biology.
It's just a gigantic, gaping black hole of knowledge on how we have this level of molecular complexity.
I'm excited by the unknown.
I think we could move everything forward.
The principles of biology we utilize today, those were all invented almost like 200, 300 years ago. And they are insufficient to explain our complexity.
What the Institute has always focused on, what if? What if this idea is true? What if this technique works out? What if we find this new principle?
I spent a lot of my professional life thinking about this problem of protein folding, and then suddenly, because of the advances in artificial intelligence, that problem, as it was historically framed, was solved.
One of the biggest through lines for the next few decades will be the integration of advanced deep learning-based algorithms that can solve very complicated tasks that human minds cannot.
Despite being a relatively small place, the Institute refuses to define specific focus of research.
From epigenetics to chromosome biology to developmental biology to regenerative biology, understanding how injury can lead to regrowth.
We're just scratching the surface of how diseases work, how we can treat them.
Why not go ahead and move as fast as we can and imagine the farthest we can reach?
So in the space of basically 15 to 17 years, we have gone from not knowing how deep we can go to now having a complete expansion in all possible fields.
Really ask and answer more questions than I ever would have dreamed of being able to.
But the challenge for scientists now is not, oh, how can I figure out this new technology, but what's the right question to ask? What's the right organism in which I can study this question?
The moment I step outside my comfort zone, that's where the fun science starts to happen.
I think as a scientist, you are just super excited. Now you are just limited by your imagination. We try to find people who are really ambitious in their thinking domain, because the doing part has gotten much easier.
After you realize that yes, you have all these resources and yes, you can do all these experiments, it becomes readily apparent that that's not the only thing that the Institute is providing you with. It's also providing you with an opportunity to be part of something that is very likely going to be much bigger than all of us.
Who we give the opportunity to work at Stowers, and we bring in people that will really do exploratory, pioneering science that'll make the world a better place for us and our children and our children's children.
I will not be surprised that we will have hundreds of students from our institute as well as postdoc leading research labs across the entire world, showing that science can be done in a different way.
I just don't think that we have been seen in our full splendor yet.
I think the future is bright.
I think the sky's the limit here.
I think that the next several years are going to be amazing.
Why not us? Why shouldn't it be the Stowers Institute that discovers the next big principles in biology, in our understanding of how life actually works?
The truth is that we're just at the beginning. It's just the beginning.